The PolyU Fashion Show is an important annual event of the ITC community.
We have done a lot of research on it. Even it's going to the, the quotation procedure already.
Organizing a fashion show this year is especially challenging because of the pandemic. Our colleagues are very creative. Instead of having a normal conventional runway show, we held a physical exhibition as well as an online virtual fashion show.
This time we can learn how to promote ITC by the online promotion message.
And this creates even great impact. We have thousands of viewers voting for their favorite designs and collections online. And so the end result is great. I'm very proud of the achievements of our students, not only because of the creativity, but also because of the determination and perseverance they have demonstrated during this period when they faced unprecedented challenges because of the social unrest last year and also the global pandemic. It's very important for them to succeed in their future career.
This time is hard for them. In the beginning, we are so worried about them. This year, actually, 100% depend on them. So this is really touched me when I see their project.
I want to thank our sponsors and many colleagues and industrialists who have supported our students in a very unselfish way and to help them to succeed. They are doing a very worthwhile job because these are the people, our students are future leaders of this fashion and textile industry.